Good morning. It's Wednesday the 27th of September 2017. We're still in Colorado and this morning we're doing the Hanging Lake Trail. It's just over a 3-mile round trail. There's my wife. She's excited to do this, so am I. Sun's shining. It's a bit fresh though. But we're still wearing shorts. Hey! Let's see what this is going to throw at us. Autumn colours in Glenwood Canyon. It's beautiful, isn't it? It's just gone 9:30. Nice start to our trail. The sun is rising. And that looks pretty amazing. Welcome to Hanging Lake Trail.
We've got to go up Sprouting Rock.
Sprouting Rock, yes. It's this way. Get ready for a steep climb. Those of you done longer than that. And we're here. Oh, I thought it was called Sprouting Rock. I think it was going to look like a sprout. Oh well. I don't know if you can hear it, but this takes us just above the waterfall. And it looks as if there's a waterfall above the waterfall. Wow. That must be Sprouting Rock, I'm guessing. Looks amazing. That was amazing. That was Sprouting Rock, was it not?
That was amazing.
Wasn't a sprouting sight. But that was incredible either way. Amazing. Gonna head back down. Easier trail down.